back to my channel. This is Gladys here, and I'm gonna take you guys inside of my house and even outside, which I'm almost outside of the house, for my 2020 spring house tour. And I'm super excited because it's spring, guys. Spring brings you joy, it brings you the warm climate, the flowers are blooming, the little bit of pink here, pink there, and I love just the feeling that spring brings me. But I'm gonna take you guys inside of my home. I'm gonna show you guys what I did for spring. Not too much, just a little bit here and there, and we're gonna actually start in the front door and go in the entryway, which is behind me. And I hope you will enjoy this. If this is the first time you are watching any of my videos, I would truly appreciate if you click on that subscribe button, the like button. Also, please don't forget to click on your notification bell. But if this is not the first time you're watching me and you're oldie but a goodie, I appreciate you for being here throughout my whole journey. And it's going to be an awesome year. More content are coming your way. Again, my name is Gladys, and I would definitely appreciate if you'll be part of this family. So let's go in. Currently, we're right outside of my house, guys. I'm gonna have to raise my voice. It's getting a little windy. The sun has left the building. But I got this happy Easter sign from the Dollar Tree, and the Coming Hook also from the Dollar Tree. It's a knockout version of the Coming Hook, but that's fine, still works. If it comes off, I can just get another one. Every season decors, I just keep them right here and also right there. And I love this. We come here, we relax, sit down with the kids, talk, just have fun. And my backyard is right on my right over here. And this happy Easter sign, how cute is this bunny? And the carrot, guys, to die for. I love it. And my wreath is from Goodwill. However, I added the pink. It was just all pure white, and I used this since last year, guys. Yes, on the budget. And I just added two $1 floral. I just took the flowers from the stem themselves and I just twisted around there. It just tells you that spring is here and it's beautiful, and I love this. My welcome sign is from Walmart, and this is a yearly welcome sign. And if you're interested of these wicked is that how you say it? Wicked or wicked? I'm not sure. Love seats and chairs. I got it at Goodwill. However, it's a Target brand, guys. I love this. I got all 3 pieces for $100. And guys, this individually, these each chairs were about $60, and this was about one something, because this lasts year round. This has been here for this whole rough winter and it's still alive, and I love it, guys. So this right here is my front yard. So I love this table. This table used to be gold, and I switched it to white because I feel like white is more inviting, and it just gives you just the fresh and sleek look, which is what I'm going for when I went minimal. And I'm still in that verge. I'm still progressing. I'm just taking it one day at a time. I really want to remove these consents and put them somewhere in the house, but for now they're here and I love them. The mirror gives definitely a welcome vibe, and I brought these beautiful pink flowers here for spring. When you come into the house, it just basically screams spring for you and welcomes you in. And my 2 candle holders I got here from Ross. The flower is from Home Good. My mirror also from Home Good. My sconces, I thrift them from Goodwill. My table was from Ross. Like I say, it was gold, and the top of the table was mirrored, but I sprayed everything white because I like that look better. So this is my entryway. I really did not want it to look like spring just puked all over the house, but I really wanted some pop of pink and pop of just joyfulness. And for me, that's just a little pink here and there, and that's what I did here on my coffee table. I added these beautiful Dollar Tree flowers. The pink one, the very pink one, is from the Dollar Tree. The light pink one is from Walmart. And I love this table because the kids can come here, make this table dirty. All I have to do is just grab a towel with a little bit of dish soap on it and clean it. It dries pretty quick since it's fabric, and I don't have to worry about that. So my pop of spring is in here, and I love this. So while it's spring, I really want to bring the pop of blue here, and I still love me some throw pillows, throw blankets, because at night it can get chilly here in my state. So the kids utilize this throw blankets all the time. We cuddle up on the couch while watching some TV or movie, and we use this. And I love this throw blanket. I get questions about this. So this is from Family Dollar about few years ago. I'm not sure if they still have it. My pillows, I wanted to keep them white. I wanted, I don't like that much pink. I don't want that to be an accent color of mine, even though it's spring. I still love white. It's contemporary. It's all year around that I can use it. This is from Target. However, I got it at Goodwill. It was brand new, and it's a blue tag, just in case you know the Goodwill method. But I love this right here. Just a simple, I don't want a lot of things on the couch. I just want the kids to come sit down, know that they are comfortable without worrying about making anything dirty. It's been white since I bought it, and this was since November. So these chairs right here, I got them at American Furniture Warehouse. And I love these chairs. They're like the queen and the king of this living room. The navy blue is just so pretty, and I think this screams spring to me. Just a little pop of color, but the navy blue here is my accent color in the house. I just love the richness of the color, and I have some silver throw pillows on there that I got from Ross. The shaggy one in the back is from Home Goods. I kept the table very simple. On my table, what we have here is this beautiful flower from Home Goods, and I love this flower because it's white. Again, I love white. It's clean, it's simple, and I don't have to worry about worrying about different colors. Unlike the entryway when I added the pink there. This beautiful entertainment center was from American Furniture Warehouse. It was actually brown. It was like this rich brown that I painted white because, again, I really wanted the white in the house. I wanted the simplistic, just the clean look. Camera doesn't even do justice. I have the fireplace on, however, I don't have the heat. I just kept it that way because I love the crackling effect and just the fireplace effect. For me, it's very cozy. So if decor is there, I made sure that I kept it clean and simple, because right after spring, I don't want to change the decor again for summer. So this is going to be a year-long decor here, apart from Christmas and fall, which I can add pop of orange for pumpkins and a little bit red and Christmas trees here and things like that. But for now, this is simple, and I love it that way. now let's go into my kitchen and I'm gonna show you guys some details of what I did here for spring. I love this kitchen. I love the clean countertop. It's simple. I don't like a lot of things. As you know, we're on a minimalistic journey, so we are trying our best to keep everything as minimal as possible. Sorry guys if you're getting blinded by the light of outside. It's just very sunny today, but let me take you guys to the kitchen. However, before we get to the kitchen, there's this dropping spot right here, which is this huge wall, which I'm still trying to figure it out, because for me, I don't like these diamond things right here. It was just temporary. If I can find something to replace them and I can put these somewhere else, I'll give it to them to Goodwill. But for now, I like it like that. Again, the navy blue here on this end, and this picture is so huge that the camera doesn't do justice, but I love this. My mirror is from from Goodwill. So is the middle picture, the blue and white picture, and the three diamond thingies are from Ross. And this is the basically what I mean dropping spot. This is where we pass before we get to the kitchen. This door right here is a garage door. We have the sign that says do not forget. Usually I will leave little notes there, but mostly it's for keys, but let's go into the kitchen. And guys, I love my kitchen for spring. Love what you have, and if it doesn't work out for you, make it the best that you can make it. But love what you have, appreciate what you have. And I love my kitchen. It's an open concept in this house. My kitchen is not that big, but I love it that way. It doesn't get dirty, it doesn't get cluttered. I did a full kitchen tour previously showing everything in the cabinet, how we are living a minimal life. These things on the kitchen are needed, or if it was not the case, I will remove it, apart from the decor. But I really want some pop of decor here. Let me come close for you guys and show you guys all the details there. So I get some question regarding my backsplash. My backsplash is actually a stick and peel, guys. It's not real. When we bought the house, we had the option of doing that, but I did not want to make the house more expensive than it was already. So I asked my brother-in-law to put this for us. I purchased the stick and peel from Amazon. If you're interested, I will leave the link below. But yeah, it's very simple in the back there, and I think it's pretty cute. Now let's come back here. My tray, as you can see, again, the white and the navy blue. I love this marble. It's very heavy. I think it's real marble I got from Goodwill. My beautiful flower is from Ross or Burlington, if I'm not mistaken. And candle holder right here is from Goodwill. So it's the candle, and I want to find like a cute white candle or pink to go for spring and summer. This kickstand, I keep it here because I usually put cookies there for the kids. I don't like a cookie jar because I just like this. They open it and grab it, and I can put more than cookies. I can put cake, and like you see, there's half-eaten donuts there. Yeah. We have a sign here. Sorry guys, my oven, it's not that it's not that shiny. We have a sign here that says home is where the family gathers, and I love this. I got it from Dollar Tree. This is a fruit basket, which we are out of fruits, which I need to get. And then I got this from Goodwill as well. The majority of the things in my house is from Goodwill. If you feel me, leave an amen in the comments, because I feel like I can find other things that are very authentic and not everybody has it, and I can find it at Goodwill. And usually also it's to save me some money, so I don't worry about spending a lot of money when going shopping. And this beautiful tray, which my what is it called, knife stand is on, and I have a couple of oil bottles here. It's from Goodwill as well. Now I brought a pop of pink here for spring. It says here comes spring, and I love this, guys. Right above it I have a sign that I got last year at Dollar Tree. It's the lemonade, because when it comes to spring and summer, You know, it's always lemonade and making yourself some iced tea. And this is just remind me of my childhood. You know, getting some lemonade at the lemonade stand, and I love this, guys. So right here, I always keep a seasonal towel. I get them from the Dollar Tree. It's very inexpensive. I don't have to worry about breaking the bank. And I usually get two, but now I started doing one because I feel like it's only seasonal towel. It's not my real towel, and I don't need two. I just keep one here. This one says "Here Comes Spring," and it's the same one as this right here, guys. Doesn't it give you joy when you see the pop of pink and the color? Just reminds you of like the flower blooming. And this I love it. Again, I got it from the Dollar Tree, and it's simple, it's clean, and I love that. For watching the entire video. I appreciate you guys being here, and like I said in the beginning of the video, if this is the very first time you are seeing any of my videos, my name is Gladys. This is a lifestyle channel, and if this is something like that you love to see, I would truly appreciate if you click on the subscribe button for more videos and more content coming your way. God bless you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.